Car repairs can be time consuming and challenging, but having the right tools can make the whole process significantly easy and efficient. Whether you are a professional mechanic or do-it-yourself enthusiast, having the right automotive tools can streamline your workflow and quality of repairs. I am going to share with you 8 tools that make car repairs easy and fun. The first tool is OBD Scanner or car diagnosing machines. Car diagnosing machines connect to the computer system of a car to read codes and identify problems or issues very easy and fast. In today's modern automotive world, almost every car part is connected to the computer system of the car. So one problem in one part can also trigger an issue in another part. Doing a guesswork to identify the problem or issues with the car can delay and waste time and also lead to more damages and problems. Moreover, programming cars and clearing error codes has become the order of the day. So without a diagnosing machine, completing such tasks is just impossible. And this explains why almost every mechanic shop or auto shop is now using a diagnosing machine. And in fact, it has become the pillar of auto repairs. Number 2 is hydraulic jacks. Lifting cars is one of the common practice in car repairs, and hydraulic jacks makes it easy to do so. They can lift both lightweight and heavy-duty trucks. From lifting cars for brake works, tire change, or suspension works, hydraulic jacks are convenient for lifting cars on a low profile and for quick repairs. There are different types of hydraulic jacks. Some are manually operated while some uses air or are pneumatic. They are very convenient to work with and can be used in a wide range of auto shops and comes in handy when you want to lift cars on a low profile for quick repairs. The next is an impact wrench tool. Loosening and tightening bolts and nuts is the core of car repairs, and this is why mechanics like and love impact wrenches so much, because impact wrenches makes it very easy to loose bolts and nuts. And even when it comes to tackling stubborn bolts and nuts, impact wrenches can save the day. Impact wrenches comes in various sizes and type, from 1 inch, half inch, quarter inch, and so on. The most common ones are powered by electric or air. When it comes to loosening bolts and nuts, very easy and fast, impact wrench is the go-for tool. Number 4 is ratchets, socket sets, and extension bars. Ratchets have two-way direction, enabling you to switch directions without removing the socket or the ratchet whilst tightening or loosening a bolt and nut. Socket set gives you a wide range of socket sizes that you can choose from, whilst extension bars allows you to reach to hard to access areas in tightening and loosening bolts and nuts. If you are planning to set up or upgrade your auto repair shop, I have set up packages that includes all modern tools and equipment you need to set up. I and my team in China ship them directly from China to your address. Number 5 is torque wrench. Torque wrenches are used to tighten bolts and nuts to a specified car manufacturer requirement. Modern cars, especially sports cars and luxurious cars, bolts and nuts have tightening requirements. With a torque wrench, you can easily achieve these requirements. Torque wrench also prevents over tightening and under tightening, which can lead to a damage or safety issue. If you are enjoying this video so far, subscribe to my channel now, because I have more videos like this coming up. Number 6 is brake caliper tool. Brake caliper press tool is used to compress caliper piston back to its original position so that new brake pads can be replaced. One of the hard tasks to accomplish during replacing new brake pads is pushing back the caliper piston. Pushing back the caliper piston can be time consuming and also very tiresome. But with the caliper press tool, this can be done very easy and fast. Number 7 is brake bleeder tool. Brake bleeder tool is used to remove air bubbles and air packets from the brake lines. Air packets can get into the brake line during repairs or leakage on the brake lines, or even when replacing new brake fluid. Removing the air packets and bubbles from the brake lines manually can be challenging and time consuming. But with a brake bleeder kit, this can be done very easy and fast. Last but not the least is an induction bolt heater. Rusted and frozen bolts can be very challenging to lose, and they can waste a lot of time and energy. With an induction bolt, it can make the whole process of loosening this knot very easy and fast. I hope you have been able to find 1 or 2 machines that will be useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have more videos like this coming. See you in my next video. If you are a mechanic, auto enthusiast or engineer and you want me to interview you so that we talk about the automotive industry, feel free to WhatsApp me or email me so that we schedule and then make this happen and share your story or thoughts with the rest of the world. This is Autocare 360.